Mr. Williams that? No, sir. You come out.
Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. As you can see below, this is the location that we're taking Mr. Williams from. This is where he has been living for over 30 years. Now, we're on our way to the new location where his house is being built, and Mr. Williams is happy, he's joyful, he's grateful, and I know that it is indeed a blessing to be moving him to this new location. Okay, so as you can see, we're near the location where he will be, so he will not be far away from his farm. It's just walking distance for him. And guys, this is the new area for Mr. Williams. Isn't this a beautiful thing? Look at the house. It is large, it is going to be wonderful, and we're happy that this project has started.
Come and chat with Tania.
All the men are hard at work. You can see them working because they're dedicated to this project and they want the project to be completed.
Tie the cow right so.
I know this has not been an easy road. We have come a long way. We have done a lot of deliberating. We have done a lot of criticizing. We have done a lot of discussions. And look at where we are now.
Powerful stone. Any man this week now get up, you know.
Are the cement shape it?
Yeah, man, I think the stone. Sandstone.
Guys, we want to thank you for all the support that you are giving and your careful consideration.
Yeah.
Mr. Williams that? No, sir. You come out.
Let us have a brief discussion with Mr. Williams, aka Caveman.
How you feel now with what is happening here?
Not bad, you know. Not bad.
So you feel really great?
Really great. Well, feel well. I feel well.
You feel well?
Yeah.
So you're going to help out today?
Yeah, they have to empty some concrete and things.
Okay. Alright. So you're good and you know if you move, lift up your concrete and everything?
Yes, yes.
Alright.
So, used to do something way.
So you're good, man. But you look fat and everything. And you eat up your food?
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh. Alright then. No problem.
Okay.
Alright. Alright. You're working?
Yes, sir.
Alright.
I was surprised to see Mr. Williams, and now he's here working. He's contributing to the development of his house. Wonderful.
Are you the cookie last time? So we get a new chef?
I'm not a new chef here.
Oh. Oh.
But 3 or 4 they have the same minute.
Mm-hmm.
So never go. Water is never go. And Jamaica hope that.
I don't know how.
And Jamaica hope that.
Not sure now.
Now clean up and season with him.
Come on, baby.
Can't take the fire heat.
These hardworking men, guys, they're going to prepare some stew chicken with some white rice. So right now, they're making preparation, cleaning up the meat, chopping the wood. Everything will be fine. They will not be hungry. I know it is not an easy road. We're coming from a long way. And I know that Mr. Williams deserves this house. I want to thank everyone who has participated in this process. I want to thank everyone who has been there from the beginning. Ian Prague, I know that you're not here now, but may your soul rest in peace. It is because of your dedication to this project which allowed us to be here right now. For all the other stakeholders, thank you for the support and the love that you're pouring into this project.
Yeah, man. Can't do this.
How old are you, Caveman? How old are you?
Since I'm 70 years, 77.
77.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, boy, I did, you know. You're so rich, you know.
Anyway, just pull up the come.
I will give everything 50 yards.
And 77. Wholly different. Not different, but you know,
I am letting you know, when you work together as a team, all things are possible, because this is because of teamwork. This is because of dedication, and this is because of careful consideration.
Like a rope. I'll go back.
No.
yeah, kind of like the flying
come here. About this. You know, I want to carry by two first and not to all this guy. But this I take fully for pulling in and a man for what they do.
Guys, this was a very productive and motivational day. We have seen teamwork, we have seen dedication, we have seen love, and we have seen hard work and understanding. In the meantime, guys, I want to thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye.